Want to make your techno bassline sound wider, deeper, and more immersive? The problem is, a lot of bass presets just don't have that deep low end we're looking for. That's why today we're using Godfazer with a mid-side EQ trick to make your techno bass sound wide and deep, but still keep it tight. Check out this quick before and after and keep an eye on the imager, you'll see what you hear. I'll show you exactly how these two work together to get that sound, so stick around. It's amazing how much it opens up the soundstage. It's right before my limiter now, but tweaking it a bit and putting it somewhere else in the FX chain can give you completely different results. Check this out. This is the exact same Serum bass preset, but processed in a different way. Moving Godfazer after the distortion and making a few small tweaks completely changes the bass line, and it still sounds amazing in stereo. What do you think of this plugin? If you already have it, let me know in the comments how you use it. Now let me break down how to get these results. First, we're using a mid-side EQ on the master output to mono the low end. This is very important. Skipping this can make your bass clash with the kick. A lot of producers use the 300 Hz cutoff, but that can narrow the stereo image too much. I like cutting around 140 Hz, which keeps some important width while still giving you a solid focused bass. So here's the Godfazer interface. The key to widening your bass without losing phase coherence is found right here in the ensemble section. Go to presets, select Leslie Fast, and in the ensemble models, select Chorus BBDx1 Wide. As I increase the depth, you'll hear the bass spreading out in the stereo field. Now check out the isotope image's correlation meter. Even as I crank up the width, the correlation stays pretty solid. And that's key for keeping your low end punchy and tight. If the correlation dips too low, you'll lose impact and clarity when played in mono. Like you just heard, Godfazer is a powerful plugin that delivers those huge bass lines, but a truly pro techno track relies on the synergy between bass and drums. Click the videos here and you'll learn the drum processing tricks for a powerful and cohesive mix that'll take your techno productions to the next level. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more techno production tutorials.